Welcome again to Kitchen Chemistry. I'm Mr. Gridley, and we have some water. So water molecules look like this, okay? There are many water molecules inside of each one of these. Now what I have here is some deionized water. So people will often ask, what is deionized water? And I have sprayed some deionized water in here, okay? If you have to use a lot of deionized water, please don't forget there's a cap. You can unscrew it and simply pour in. You don't have to squeeze all day. So that's a much faster way of doing it. So let's record the temperature of the water. And our temperature of this water is reading about 23.4 degrees Celsius. 23.4. And we also have, in this smaller one, we have just regular tap water from our tap, and the temperature reading here is about 23.0 degrees Celsius. See if you can read that, 23 degrees Celsius. And then I finally went over here, and let's put away our Coke. I got some hot water. So I let the water run hot, and let's take a look and see what the temperature reading is there. It's about 50, almost 55 degrees Celsius. Let's show this to you here. Temperature's obviously gonna go down quickly. So I have deionized water, regular tap water, and hot water. Now, deionized water removes ions. This is a conductivity tester that will tell us how many ions are present. When I put it in here, I get a reading of 1 for the deionized water. We'll try this again with our tap water, and our tap water reading is about 3 for our cold tap water reading. And finally, we're going to test this with our hot water, and our reading is about 5 for our hot water. So what your goal is to try to come up with an explanation as to why this hot water will have more ions in it than the cold water. And the deionized water simply removes all the ions. Now, do they remove all the ions? No, they don't remove all of them, but most of them. Now, we like to test our conductivity tester. Here's our gold wedding band. There it is, okay? And if we test the gold wedding band made of gold against this, and if we press our button, let's press it, we should get a reading of 10. There we go, okay. So got it connected really well. There we go. That's Mrs. Gridley. She's a 10. She's never here to hear that. Okay, good luck in explaining why we have more ions here, less ions here, and obviously the deionized water bottle we now know simply removes the ions. And the ion conductivity tester detects ions. Have a good day.